So one of the things that you can do in ILovePDF is you can go ahead and convert out the Excel files that you have in PDF format as well. So over here you can see that Excel to PDF is an option for that, and you can access it from over here, or you can go to Convert PDF and then you can select Excel to PDF, or you can go to all PDF tools and choose Excel to PDF right here. So now once you do that, you can select out Excel files right here. So you can go ahead and select multiple files as well and click on open right here just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and select multiple files or only one file right here just like this. For multiple files, you do need a premium account. So apart from that, you can even go ahead and add in files from, let's say, for example, Google Drive or Dropbox as you want. But as you open up the Excel file, you can simply click on Convert to PDF right here, just like this. And then you have an option to download the PDF file right here or save it in the Cloud Drive or Share Out link as well. So as you open up, you can see that this is what you have right here. So you got this, like, let's say, for example, Excel sheet right here. So let's just go around over here and convert Excel to PDF again. Select this out right here. So let's just go for the expense budget sheet this time and go ahead and click on convert right here. And once you do that, you can simply go ahead and download, and you got another, let's say, sheet right here just like this, and it brought in the detail of the sheets as you can see right here just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and convert out your Excel file to PDF file easily using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.